Microsoft Power BI Space is a business intelligence solution that lets you to analyze large data and share it into rich visualization. With Microsoft Power BI, you can quickly and effectively connect top data model. Visualize as much as you can. You can securely share your data to your application or website. To get started, download free Power BI desktop application. Soon you will be connected to 100 of data source from your premises or cloud, like Excel, Salesforce, Google Analytics, and even IoT devices, and turn all that data into live interactive visuals. With powerBi Dashboard, user can view 360 degrees of their business, showing key data at one place in real time. Dashboard creation made easy with 100 of connections, as it comes with pre-built dashboards to help users. One of the important features of Power BI is its integration with MS Excel. With Power Space BI, you can format and manipulate Excel data in your own way. And with the help of cloud connectivity, data can be accessed from anywhere. Charts, datasets, maps can be combined into one dynamic view so that you can compare multiple data sources at once. Collaboration is made easy with Office 365, where the users can share their findings with anyone on their network. Power BI also offers smart Q&A features. Users type question and platform gives them to reply in the interactive chart or graph. Join Power BI online training today and start turning your data into smarter and better decisions. We at Technovids believe that excellence is an art won by training. We are renowned for excellence, leadership, and impact. Join us to be the change.